Hi, this is Mani. So I hope you have been watching the series of 4 videos wherein I'm sharing different tips where you can be emotionally fit and better in your professional life, in your careers and in your job. So each day I have been giving you different tips, like we finished 4 days on 4 different tips that you could implement at your own work life, and that could help you to stay fit emotionally and feel better. Quick recap, on the first day we spoke about the attitude and seeing it in a different way, seeing that incident or feedback or criticism in a different way compared to your own abilities and your capabilities. On the second day we spoke about accepting the fact that in the corporate world this is bound to happen, so take it in the right spirits. And third day we spoke about gratefulness, being grateful for having a job and other such things. On the fourth day we spoke particularly about sharing your feeling with somebody else, somebody close, somebody near, and which shall help you. And today, on the fifth day, I want to give you one last tip which could be helpful to you, which can change things for you. Okay, and that is, talk to the person who gave you the criticism. Go back to that person, be it your manager, be it your peer, be it anybody in your job who has told something that you're not good at it, you need to improve things. Go back to them, sit with them and ask them why did they feel so, or why do they think that you need to improve on things, or why they feel you're not good at something. Because just giving a feedback and talking in detail will give you several different aspects, will give you several things that you did not even think of. You know, many a times that happen that just by listening to something, we take it in a different meaning, and then we go ahead and assume as to this could be that could be that, this is because of that incident, this could be that somebody else has spoken to him, that's why he's telling me this kind of feedback. Yes, we assume a lot of things. So go directly to the person, have a one-on-one call, talk to them and ask them why did they feel so? Why do they think that you should improve on this? Why do they think that you are not good at something? This helps you to discover a lot of things which could impact in a positive way, that you start moving ahead on things. That is one way. Also, very sometimes it happens that somebody really wants to put you down, and he or she continues to give you that kind of negative criticism or feedback or input every time. Whatever you do, whatever might happen, they continue to give you that kind of feedback. If that is the case, I think it is time for you to rethink if that is the right place for you. If that environment is the right place for you to continue your work. Would it be the right place that you move ahead in your career? Do you see any growth? Do you see working with such a person makes any shift? If not, think about moving on. Because you need to be emotionally fit and balanced. If a person says something and then you are spoiling your entire day within your office, within the family, back at home, just because somebody spoke something to you again and again and again every day, think if there's a different way to handle, and that could be just moving on. You never know. Or if you feel there is possibility of changing your teams, shifting to somewhere else within the same group, taking a different role, yeah, it could be anything, but just moving away from that particular person or that particular individual who has been doing that, because you cannot change that person, and you need to change yourself. So it is not that easy overnight, but try doing it after listening to each of these 4 tips that I gave it to you on all the 4 days. And 5th tip also, that is to talk to the person. Even if all the tips doesn't work, all the 5 days, all the 5 tips, think about changing your role, changing the position, shifting teams, shifting company, whatever it is, whatever works for you, so that you can be better and you can be emotionally fit. So thank you for watching. Do listen to all the 4 videos if you're just watching this, and I hope this will give you some value add and help you to get better at your emotions in your corporate world. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Do subscribe to this channel and you will keep hearing lots such inputs, lots such information, and I want to make you better in handling your emotions and be emotionally fit. Thank you. Have a good day.